Hello again everyone, remember me? I'm Chaka, the Coelacanth's pup, and this time I've brought along a new friend.
Hi, my name is Skip and I'm a mud prawn, and we're going to take you on a fascinating journey of estuaries.
In our last video, we looked at river systems and wetlands and how water travels through these systems. Now we'll look at what happens to fresh water when it meets the sea. This is a special area called estuaries.
Estuaries are important natural systems and provide a useful service to society. But still people use and abuse these areas. I hope that after this video you will appreciate the value of estuaries and be better informed about the role that they play.
Hey Skip, I live in the deep sea, so please tell me, what is an estuary?
That's a good starting point for our story. Freshwater flows from the mountains towards the salty sea. Where the two meet near the river mouth is a mixing zone between freshwater and marine environments. This zone is what is commonly referred to as an estuary.
So estuaries are in the zone, man.
Very funny, Chaka. I live in an estuary and I'm happy to share with all of you how important they are to me.
Great, Skip. We know what an estuary is. Tell us more.
Sure thing, Chaka. Besides being the meeting place where freshwater and seawater mix, estuaries are influenced by tides. There is very little wave action, and sediment and nutrients build up. But when it floods, these can be flushed out.
Flushed out? Is that something like erosion?
Correct. But this is a natural form of erosion, not man-made, and is tidally driven or due to rainfall. In South Africa, most estuaries tend to get closed off by sandbars, and only a heavy rain or strong waves can break through. But we do have some that are always open to the sea.
Wow, so no two estuaries are the same.
That's correct, Chaka. Estuarine conditions are always changing, which is only one of their important features.
What other features are there, Skip? And why would this instability be so important?
Well, Chaka, what makes an estuary interesting is how much rain there is in that area, what the geology is like, and the interaction between the sea and fresh water. Each rise and fall of the tide brings about changes. Also, during floods, an estuary can change overnight from calm waters to a raging muddy torrent. Or, when an estuary becomes separated from the sea by a sandbar, it may become extremely salty or even dry up completely.
I don't know if I would like to live in a place that changes so much. It sounds complicated.
Precisely, Chaka. This means when you have an environment that changes so much, the organisms that live there need special adaptations.
Oh, I get it. This means you're special?
Yes, just like you, Chaka.
Tell me more about what different types of estuaries look like.
Okay, but concentrate. There's quite a bit of information to tell.
Will do, Skip.
There are 5 different types of estuaries. Permanently open estuaries. For example, the Breede and Swartkorps estuaries, which have a strong tidal exchange of water with the sea and tend to be quite large. Temporarily open or closed estuaries. This means these estuaries are often closed for many months of the year and sometimes for more than a year at a time. For example, the Van Stadens, Kabeljoos and Mhlanga estuaries. River mouths. All rivers flowing into the sea have a river mouth. However, estuaries under this category are usually permanently open to the sea. For example, the Orange and Gamtoos River estuaries. Estuarine lakes. Here the estuaries have formed a salty lake which is connected to the sea by a channel. For example, St. Lucia and Swartvlei estuaries. Estuarine bays. For example, the Knysna estuary. These estuaries have wide mouths with strong tidal exchange, resulting in a continuously open mouth and the regular replacement of seawater in the lower and middle reaches.
Shut up. I think that is enough to get started with, Skip.